Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving headfirst into some of the strangest, weirdest, and most jaw-dropping corners of nature. Get ready to uncover 10 bizarre facts about the natural world that are so mind-bending you'll be questioning if they're real. These aren't your everyday nature facts. Each one has a twist, a quirk, or a mystery. Stick with me until the end because the last fact is absolutely insane. Ready? Let's get into it. We humans love to think we know all there is about the world around us, but trust me, nature is full of surprises. In today's video, we'll explore some truly unbelievable facts, from animals with unusual body chemistry to creatures with survival skills that would blow your mind. And who knows, you might even end up with a few new fun facts to impress your friends with. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Let's jump into our first incredible fact and uncover the secrets of the natural world. Let's kick things off with a fascinating marine creature, the octopus. Now, I know these guys are already pretty mysterious with their shape-shifting abilities, ink clouds, and bizarre appearance. But did you know they have blue blood? Yes. While our blood is red thanks to iron-rich hemoglobin, octopuses have a unique molecule in their blood called hemocyanin, which contains copper instead of iron. This copper-based molecule helps them survive in the cold, low-oxygen depths of the ocean where they thrive. Imagine if we humans had blue blood too. Our veins would be turquoise instead of red, and maybe our understanding of royalty would look a little different. Next, let's talk about a creature that doesn't just have one heart. It has 10. We're talking about marine worms, which are like the earthworms of the deep sea. These segmented creatures rely on multiple hearts to pump blood efficiently through their long bodies. Now, 10 hearts might sound excessive, but it's actually a super smart survival mechanism. It allows them to thrive in the low oxygen environment of the ocean floor. Just picture if we humans had multiple hearts. Imagine the possibilities, from improved athletic abilities to maybe even living longer. Fascinating, right? Okay, arachnophobes, brace yourselves because this next fact is about spiders. While they may seem like just another creepy crawly, spiders have an incredible superpower. They're silk. Spider silk is one of the strongest natural materials on the planet, with some varieties being stronger than steel when measured pound for pound. Scientists are studying spider silk to create new materials for everything from medical sutures to lightweight armor. Imagine a world where we could build skyscrapers or make clothing from this ultra-strong, lightweight material. It might sound like science fiction, but it's entirely possible thanks to the natural engineering marvel of spider silk. If you're loving these mind-blowing facts, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. I promise we've got even more incredible nature secrets coming up. Next up, we have an unusual ability from an animal that's already pretty unique, the gecko. Did you know that geckos use their tongues to smell? Yep, these little lizards can stick out their tongues to capture scent particles from the air, which allows them to taste and smell at the same time. For them, it's a way of constantly staying aware of what's around them, whether it's food or a potential threat. Just imagine if we had to stick our tongues out every time we wanted to smell something. It'd make family dinners pretty interesting, wouldn't it? Now, this next fact proves that humans aren't the only species that have mastered the art of farming. Leafcutter ants have been cultivating their own food for millions of years. These tiny creatures cut up leaves, carry them back to their nests, and use the pieces to grow a special type of fungus. This fungus is what they eat, and the ants tend to it just like a farmer tending to their crops. It's incredible to think that such a tiny creature has mastered agriculture and created its own self-sustaining ecosystem underground. So the next time you see ants working hard, remember, they might just be farming. Which fact has surprised you the most so far? Drop a comment below with your favorite nature fact. I'd love to hear which one blew your mind. Moving on, we have the birds of paradise, masters of flair and dance. These colorful birds from Papua New Guinea have taken the art of attracting a mate to a whole new level. Male birds of paradise perform complex and mesmerizing dances, puffing up their feathers, spreading their wings, and swaying to attract a female's attention. Their performances are so captivating that they've inspired dances around the world. Imagine if humans had to put on a whole dance routine just to impress someone. It would make dating a whole lot more interesting. Fireflies are truly nature's little light bulbs, lighting up the night with their soft, magical glow. What's amazing is how they do it, through a process called bioluminescence. This natural chemical reaction allows them to produce light without any heat, a feat that human technology still struggles to match. Imagine if we could illuminate our cities without electricity, just with a natural, cold light like fireflies. These little bugs make the night magical in a way no artificial light can. Elephants are famous for their memories, and it's not just a myth. Elephants can remember individual animals, family members, and even other humans for years. This powerful memory helps them find water sources, reconnect with family groups, and even recognize threats. Imagine if we humans had this kind of memory, no more forgotten keys or birthdays. This incredible recall plays a huge role in the survival and social lives of these magnificent animals. If these facts have amazed you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join our nature-loving community. I promise there's even more fascinating content where this came from. Sharks are in constant motion, even while they're resting. You see, many sharks have to keep swimming to push water over their gills and keep breathing. So when they sleep, they're actually gliding slowly with their eyes open, almost like they're in a state of sleepwalking. Imagine if we humans had to keep moving while we slept. It would change everything about how we rest. Let's finish with one last mind-blowing fact about elephants. Their trunks are probably one of the most versatile tools in the animal kingdom. Elephants use their trunks for breathing, smelling, grabbing, and even defense. It's like they have a Swiss Army knife attached to their faces, allowing them to perform everything from lifting heavy objects to picking up tiny pieces of food. It's hard to match the sheer versatility of an elephant's trunk. Those were 10 of the weirdest facts about nature. If you're still hungry for more, click on one of these videos and let's keep discovering the fascinating and sometimes bizarre wonders of our natural world together.